How to clear all cache and junk files on Windows without deleting apps. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily clear out your temporary cache files on Windows. First thing you need to do is go over to your Start menu and right click on the Windows button. Then you can find Settings over here, click on it. Once you are on your Settings menu, from the left hand side, you need to go over to System, and from System, you need to find Storage and click on it. Now on your storage, you can find different options. So the first one is your local disk, then you have your installed apps, and then your temporary files. All you have to do is just go ahead and click on the temporary files option. And then from there, you can select off the stuff that you don't need. Make sure you select these temporary files, like these ones, and then you can also do thumbnails and Windows Update Cleanup as well. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and click on Remove Files. As you can see, it's total of 1.37 gigabytes. So let's just click on it. Now just tap on Continue, and your disk cleanup should clean up all of these temporary files. Now, once you have cleared everything out, you need to go ahead and go to Storage back again. Now you'll find something called Storage Sense over here. What it does is it's going to automatically clean up space and delete temporary files, manage um, all the locally available cloud content as well. Make sure this is enabled, so just toggle it on and you're good to go. That's how you basically do it, guys. If you found this helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.